a very, very creative girl. She loves doing art, painting, she loves editing. Siya nga yung nagturo sa akin ng CapCut eh. Ganun siya kagaling.
You know na she's comfortable with you kapag pinapakita niya yung artworks niya.
She's so creative.
She's just the sweetest. And her smile, it's so adorable. I still have that photo on my phone because it's so comforting. She didn't know it yet, but yeah.
All my friends like Zari because she's so friendly. Yung makikita niya lang yung mga kaibigan ko, tatabihan niya, ihahag niya pa.
Pero at first, she's like parang introvert.
Yeah.
Parang she's quiet. Pero when you get to know her,
she's gonna be clingy.
Yeah, super.
I love that.
Sobrang happy mo. Iba yung excitement na mapipil mo kapag hinag ka niya ng biglaan. Kasi malambing siya, pero sobrang dalang. Di ba?
Zari is not a pleaser. She will really tell you kung maganda ba, kung gusto ba niya. Hindi siya mambobola. Kaya pag na-appreciate ka niya, talagang mafe-feel mo.
Yes.
Yun, very genuine siya magsalita.
Sincere talaga siya.
Welcome to level 7 of Zari's world.
Like Dandy, you're brave, curious, and full of magic.
Happy birthday, Zari!
Happy birthday, Zari!
Happy birthday, Zari!
Welcome, her mommy Reach and her daddy Arthur together with birthday girl, Zari!
Happy birthday, Zari!
Happy birthday, Zari!
Happy birthday, Zari!
Happy birthday, Zari! Yay!
Oh my God, you're 7 years old na, and I know this is gonna be a very memorable birthday kasi ang ganda ng setup. Sobrang proud kami sa'yo kasi you're very intelligent and
seeing you right now, you are like a fine lady who is very sweet and kind, and you're like the real baby boss, as your parents said.
I hope that when you grow up, you find your passion in your career just like your mom and dad.
When you grow up, I want you to be like your mother, which is she is very kind-hearted, very generous, and very talented. Okay? I love you, Zari. I love you very much.
She loves babies. Like, bata pa lang siya, mahilig na talaga siya sa mga bata. Kaya si Zaffron lagi niyang pinanggigigilan.
Isa po siya sa mga bata na hindi po siya nagde-demand, bakit busy, bakit ganyan, bakit walang time sa akin. Naintindihan niya po sa muring edad. Na-amaze ako kasi alam po nila yung ginagawa niya is for her po, para po sa family.
Happy birthday, Zari! Happy birthday, Zari! Happy birthday, Zari!
We are really, really proud of you. You're such a brave, independent, and kind little girl. And just stay that way, stay sweet as you are. Always dream big, okay? Your family and friends are always here to support you.